Assalamu alaikum, beloved student. Welcome to my English online class today. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now, I am very glad to meet with you for the first time, and I truly thank our governing body for organizing this beautiful online class for you. I hope if you do these classes properly, inshallah, you will definitely get the benefits a lot from these classes. Okay. Before starting my today's class, I am giving my short description with you. I am Muhammad Nazmul Karim Shohag, lecturer in English, Bangladesh Agricultural University, Mymensingh. And I think you have joined already the another classes, and the honorable teachers gave you some instructions regarding our college environment. That is why before starting my today's English class, I am going to discuss with you regarding the 100 mark syllabus with you of first paper. Okay, and write down the complete syllabus and marks distribution. And three passages, there will be given two parts. There will be given two parts according to the syllabus of final HSC. And two parts, how many parts will be given for you according to the syllabus of HSC? Two parts. Part 1 will consist of 60 marks. How many marks of part 1? 60 marks. Okay. And part 2 will be given numbered 40 marks. 40 marks plus 60 marks is equal to 100 marks will be given for first paper item. Okay, and write down the 60 marks of reading test. In reading test, number 1, there will be given three passages. How many passages will be given for your part 1? 3 passages. And what will be the exact source from where you will be able to find out the passages? I am giving a clear concept that you will certainly find out the 3 passages inside your textbook. Okay, inside your textbook you will find the 3 passages, and number 1 passage will be numbered 15 marks. First passage will be numbered 15, and this passage will have 2 parts. How many parts of first passage? 2 parts. Okay, and A will be given 5 marks named MCQ. Marks will be given 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Like before, the marks of your secondary level, especially SSC, that you faced your SSC examination according to the passage, you will have to given here the 5 multiple choice questions, and according to the passage you will have to express the correct answer named MCQ, and MCQ will be given 5 marks. Okay, 5, 1 into 5 is equal to 5. And another part of first paper, it will be given the answering question, and 10 marks will be given for this topic, and each question will consist of 2 marks. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 marks. At the end of the first part we will get 15 marks. Okay, it's the complete marks of first passage, and first passage will be numbered only 15. Okay, next we are going to discuss the number second passage inside your textbook. Number 2 passages, 2 non passages, and in this second passage there will be given 2 parts, two parts also like the first passage here. Okay, and there will be also given a alternation, this alternative way you will find here in the second part. Okay, and the part will be given here. Number A, information transfer, or flowchart, anyone. Okay, anyone may be given as your question paper. Okay, and that is, I think that this item is completely known to you because you answered in your secondary level. Okay, and another new portion is completely unknown to you. Okay, and flow plus chart is equal to the flow chart, and the flow chart will be numbered 10, and 5 chart will be given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the 5 box will be given, and according to the given number 1 information, then you will have to fill the another 5 gaps. It is called the item of flowchart. Okay, and each gap will consist 2 marks. That is why 2 into 5 is equal to 10 marks will be given for this second passage. Okay, I think you are clear to understand the marks distribution of the second passage, and now I am going to discuss the another remaining passage number 3 non passage, and these passages will be given from your textbook. Okay, number 3 passages, and number 3 passages will be numbered 10 marks. 10 marks. Okay, and this is the item called summary writing, or you will have to be given here the according to the passage make a summary according to the passage and from your own memory. By understanding this given passage, you will be able to make a meaningful summary. Okay, and 10 marks will be given from this third passage named summary. Okay, and how many marks? The topic for the 3 passages. First passage, passage number 1, 15, passage number 2, 10, passage number 3, 10 is equal to 35 marks. Okay, have already been discussed with you. And another, number 4. Number 4, I think that this item is very crucial to get your expected mark on the first paper item named with clues. With clues. In your question paper, you will certainly find the box, and inside the box there will be given 10 words or 12 words or 14 words. Okay, according to the instruction of this given words, you will have to fill meaning to indicate a meaningful sentence according to the given information, especially the passage. Okay, and it may be given from your textbook or the outside the textbook. That is why I think that it will be the useful task to know a lot of vocabularies carrying a good marks on it. That is why I think that you are well furnished in your vocabulary with synonym and antonyms. And if you are well furnished in enriching your vocabularies a lot, then there will be no problem to answer any topic, both first paper and second paper. I think that vocabulary will help you to accomplish your own position to become the efficient in English. Okay, and we will help you to be efficient in English within the shortest possible of time inside our classroom. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 14. Anyone may be given here the 10 or 12 or 14 words given. And if you find the 14 words, and you will have to take a firm decision to exclude the another 4 words from the box. Okay, then you will have to take a firm decision to apply the number 10 words to fill the according to the given passage the information 10 gaps. Okay, next, and each question will consist 0.5 into 10 is equal to 5. Okay, and there will be given a complete passage here. According to this given passage, you will have to fill the gaps to indicate a meaningful sentence by the help of these given words. Okay, I think you are clear to understand the marks distribution of this number 4. That's why I am going to discuss the marks distribution of without clues. Okay, to you for your better understanding. Number 5 named without clues. And like before, the number 4 item, and there is a specifically difference between the 2 items called with clues and without clues. And to the majority of the students in our country, number 4 are easy to them than the number 5. But according to my own perception, I think that number 5 is easier than number 4. Why? Because to answer the with clauses, okay, or by the help of the given information, and you will have to change the formation of the given word inside the box. And if you find out the rules of adjective, then you will have to change the adjective formation here, and if you find the box word will be noun, then you will also have to apply the rule of noun to correct. Okay, to correct this given information, given passage. Okay, and number 5, I think that to answer the without clause, you may apply any particular type of new word from your own memory, and it is enough to know a lot of vocabularies to carry your expected marks on the first paper. Any one may be given here to indicate a meaningful sentence. Okay, and how many marks will be given here? 10. 1 into 10 is equal to 10 marks will be also given here on the topic of without clause. Okay, next, number 6 item, and on the topic of number 6 there will be given a topic named rearrangement. Okay, rearrangement, and how many marks will be given? Just 10 marks. 1 into 10 is equal to 10 marks. And in your higher secondary level, you will have to answer. You will have to answer, or you will have to show just the serial number. Just the serial number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and according to the sequence, you will have to the correct serial number. Okay, just only serial number will be applied according to the meaningful passage. Number 1, and if you find here, number 1 will be applied here, the E. Okay, you are right. C, A, D, I, dot, 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 dot. Now, no need to express the whole passage or whole paragraph. It is strictly forbidden to apply here to write down the whole passage like paragraph. No need. Okay, and if you express the correct sequence, correct serial number, then full marks will be given to you. Okay, I think that is why I think it is very easy to get a full marks on this topic. Okay, and I am going to start with you the part 2, and we have already discussed the 60 marks. Okay, and 3 passages will be given 35, and with clause 5, without clause just in number 5, 10, number 6, 10. How many marks? 60 marks. Okay, and part 1 has been ended to indicate the 60 marks. Now I am going to discuss with you the part 2. Part 2. Okay, part 2 will be given just 40 marks, and there will be given also here the complete writing task. Writing task will be given on the topic of part 2. Now, number 7 will be given the paragraph. Paragraph may be given from your given textbook or without textbook. From anywhere may be given any topic here. Okay, and from various sources it may be given for answer, and paragraph item will be given 10 marks. How many numbers will be given here? The 10 marks on the topic named paragraph. And it may given here the with text or without text. Anyone may be given for answer paragraph. Okay. Number 8. Completing story. Completing story. Guess how many marks will be given here to answer the completing story? 10, 8, 7. Which is right? Right is only 0, 7. And this topic is very easy. I think that it will play a vital role to get your expected marks by answering this item completing story. And this story may be given the different types of sources. Okay, and it may also be given here from the secondary level and from the introductory of any particular types of descriptive. Anyone may be given according to the given instruction. On your question paper, you will have to make the incomplete story to complete. Okay, and how many marks will be given? Just only 7 marks will be given on this topic completing story. That is why don't try to give any elaborate information. Any elaborate information here. You will have to express the gist topic. Okay, gist topic. Why? Because only 7 marks will be given for answer. No need to make a lengthy sentence to carry a good marks on it. Okay, beloved student, I think you are understanding properly my lecture. Okay. Number 9. On this topic, you will be given here another topic named informal letter or email. Electronic mail, email. Okay, informal letter or email. And beloved student, guess it, how many marks may be given on this topic? How many marks? 10, 8, 7, 6, 5. Which is correct? Only 5 marks. I think it is very poor to you. And you are accustomed to answering this topic like before from your primary level, secondary level, and just you are staying the higher secondary level. I think it is very easy to answer this topic named informal letter or electronic mail. Okay, that is why don't be worried to answer this topic, and any one topic will be given. And if you find here on your question paper given here the informal letter, then you are bound to answer this topic informal letter. And if you find here on your question paper the electronic mail, and you will have to also here the electronic mail. Anyone may be given for answer to carry 5 marks on it. Okay, and number 10. Okay, number 10, and there will be given and the 3 topics here. Okay, 3 topics here: graphs or chart or maps. I think these 2 items are very known in your secondary level. You faced these two items, but map is completely unknown. Okay, don't be worried. We will take the several classes on maps, charts or graphs. In a practical way, I think that you will be able to answer properly in your upcoming all types of examination, especially your HSC, and it will be held in 2022, and graph, charts or maps, any one may be given on this topic. And I think that according to my own perception here, the graphs or chart, anyone may be given on your question paper. That is why you have to give a lot of emphasis to complete the graphs and charts, and you will have to also take a clear concept, the writing style of maps. Okay, and how many marks will be given here? The 10 marks. 10 marks will be given for answering here the graphs or charts or maps, anyone. Love student, are you clear? Next, remaining only one number here to match the 100 marks of first paper, named appreciating poem or story. And number 11 will be given appreciating poem or story, anyone may be given for answer the number 11. Okay, do you know the exact meaning of appreciating? Appreciating is verb plus ing. Okay, appreciating, and the principal verb here is appreciate. Appreciate means praise, admire, and so on. In this topic, appreciating poem or story denotes just only the topic of summarizing. Okay, theme, appreciating theme, summarizing or summarization just will be given to you. And to answer appreciating poem or story, you will have to answer within 50 words. Within 50 words, you will have to make your appreciating poem or story. And if you find on your question paper the topic of poem, and only one English poem will be given on this topic. By reading this given complete poem, you will have to express your summary or your appreciation of this poem within 50 words. Not more than 50 words will be counted as a right answer here to carry a full marks on it. And you should be careful. You should be careful regarding the instruction of this teacher, and this is the instruction to make your appreciation of the poem or story. You are bound to apply 50 words. Okay? And if you find here that the story like as the two friends, a plastic crow, a selfish giant, scholar and the boatman and so on. Any one story may be given, and by reading this given story, you will have to submit your appreciation poem, and this poem will contain 8 marks. How many marks? 8 marks will be given for answering appreciating poem or story. Okay? And how many marks that we have already found here in the part 2? 40 marks. 40 marks here. Okay? Paragraph 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 40 marks. 40 marks. Okay? And 60 marks plus 40 marks is equal to 100 marks on the topic of first paper. I think all you have understood my lecture, and this is my first class. That is why I have already discussed the complete syllabus of first paper, and in my next class I will start a complete topic with you. Okay, I think you will present all of our online classes, and I think if you attend all the classes, especially on the online, then you will be able to find out a lot of benefits, especially to enrich a vast knowledge. Okay, pray for me from your heartiest corner, and in my next class I will meet with you. Until then, stay well. Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.